What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're just going to learn how to play The Hands by the Vamps and Sabrina Carpenter. We got the keyboard on the third fit. I don't think I have to make a guitar tutorial for this song, but still I made, because you can actually see him playing the guitar and it's just like a video of 1 minute, so there's nothing much over here. And he has the keyboard on the third fit and he made the chords super easy. So let's have a look at the chords first. There's just one chord progression, one thing, gonna show you everything line by line. Let's get started. So the first chord will be an A minor, which is mute open, second, first open. Then you have an E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0, the easiest chord. Then a D minor, which is mute open, second, third, first. You can play any other way you want, but I saw him playing it like this, so I'll also try to play him like that. And then we have F 1 3 3 2 1 1. There's a lot of play to play F major chord like this. And what else? We're not left with any of the chords. Now see me. Intro, we actually start off like this. The basic string pattern, what I'm doing is I'm just strumming from the bass note of the A minor chord is on the A string. Starting from the A string, the top E string is muted. I always show that in all my videos. The E string is muted for the A minor chord. So we do 4 downs, and this down is tack, 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 tack. It focuses on strumming the A string, D string, G string, B string. Don't try to strum the high E string. It's a request. Make sure that you strum till the B string. So it's, you do 4 down stroke, but you actually pinch that chord with your left hand, and also on the other hand, you after doing a down, you just keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. So get that effect. We got pop, 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 pop. He actually finger plugs. That's a lot easy. So we got down, 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 down. And after that, hold the A minor chord. You're just gonna strum 1 down till the B string from the A string. And as soon as you do the down till the B string, you're just gonna lift off your index finger from the first fret of the B string to open. And then you will play D string second fret. And then you will do a strum from the A string to the D string. And at that time, when you're like going to strum the G string, just lift off your middle finger and you're just gonna do a hammer on from open to second. So that's basically everything. So that's basically the intro. 4 down stroke on the A minor chord. Pop, 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 pop. That's it. One more time. That's it. We move on to the verse, and it's actually the same string pattern, but over here, what you do is the chord progression changes. We'll be playing A minor chord. Now you did tap, 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 tap. You're just gonna do that 16 times on that A minor chord. So 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. You see, everything actually moves. It releases, presses. That's all. 16 times on the A minor chord. Do the exact same thing on the F major chord. Make sure you strum till the B string from the top E string. And you do that 8 times on the F major chord, 4 times on the D minor chord, 4 times on the E minor chord. So A minor 16 times, F major 8 times till the B string, D minor also till the B string if you can, E minor till the B string. And it's the same thing after all. So we got pop, 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 1 2 3 4 1 2 4. Last time. F major 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's it. And the second time is actually the verse part. Second time also it goes same, exactly same. Instead of the E minor, we don't play that. We do a small little riff over here. So what I do is I hold the E minor chord, I do 1 down, strumming from the E string all the way down till the B string, and at that time I actually keep that D string open, and when I strum, I do a hammer on second fret of the D string to get the sound. And then do a down up up, again strumming only the E to the B string. And after that, again I do a down, and I actually do a hammer on from open to second on the D string while doing that down. So good. That's it. That's it. So when you move on to the chorus, before that you have this little riff. So from the beginning, for you guys, I'm just gonna play that from the intro. Sorry. By mistake I actually strummed the E minor chord, but you won't do that. You just gotta do. That's it. And you move on to the chorus, and for the chorus the opposite happens. It's the same chord progression, the same number of strokes you're gonna do, but instead of that down, you're just gonna do a up. So you have up, 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 up. And what he does is, with his hand he actually hits the guitar. But you can do that with a pick. It sounds a bit more like what I say. Sounds more highlighted the lower strings when you have a pick like this. So do a up. You keep your hand, and at the same time with your fingers you can just kick the guitar. That's how you can do that. But it's a complete option. So we again do that 16 times on that A minor chord. But this time we actually hit that high E string because we are just descending. We're just moving from up to down. We're actually ascending. Sorry. So we got 16 times on all the chords. 16 times on A minor, 8 times on the F, 8 times on 4 times on the D minor, 4 times on the E minor. Like the one. 8. 4 more times. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that for another time. Have that part, and with that we come to the end of the song, and that's almost everything you need to play the song Hands by the Vamps. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below any other song that you want on guitar, and I'm just gonna see you guys soon. Till then, bye.